Well, hello friends. Got a little Friday afternoon fun for you. I went to Hobby Lobby today. I have not been to Hobby Lobby in a few months, which I don't really need a whole lot, but I wanted some new stuff. I wanted some fall stuff. I love fall home decor. And so there we go. I'm gonna find myself here because when I went live yesterday, I couldn't see messages. And that's what I don't want, is I want to be able to chat with you. So say hi when you come in. Tell me where you're from. If you're new, I would love to be able to welcome you appropriately and say hi. So, turn the volume off and we'll be good to go. I think I'll be able to see comments over here on my laptop. So, let's get started. I'm super excited about several of these things. I bought stuff from fall. I bought some stuff from the spring clearance from spring. So everything ranges from like 40% off up to 75% off, because I even shopped the regular clearance section, which I got some really good candlesticks that are gonna be perfect for fall. All right. I got, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's actually 7 bags, but one is maybe only has 2 items in it. So we're not gonna count that, because if my husband sees this, I'll be in big trouble. Just kidding. He doesn't really care, but anyway. All right, there's only 2 things in this bag too. Sorry I'm off camera, but I got my stuff piled up over here and I don't want this to fall over. I got this for, it's better to see it this way. Look how, it's gonna be so good. I got this for my dining room table. With some greenery in it, some decorate with pumpkins, just a variety of things. This was originally $14.99. It's from the Robert Stanley collection, and it's part of fall, so it was 40% off. 40% off. I'm not gonna have enough space for everything on top of my my workspace here. So this piece was mega clearance, mega clearance. Set it right here for just a second. Bonnie, I do too. Ugh. And I'm gonna leave it on top of my workspace here for just a second, because I have some greenery that I actually purchased today too, that I think is going to look wonderful in it. I should have tried it out there, but I didn't. But thank you. But I agree, you should go check it out. Literally $14.99, and they had 3 different sizes. I forgot about that. And they also had a white version. The white version, I think, don't quote me on this, but I think the white version had like the enamel look on it. So it had a little bit of the black accent, but this piece right here, check it out. It's massive. It was originally $64.99. So I don't know if you can tell or not, but right here is a like a base for, you could put a candle in there. I was thinking about a solar candle and putting this either, we have a sunroom in the back of our house, but then we have a covered porch on the front of the house. So I don't know where it's gonna go yet, but the idea that I have is to have, I'm gonna stick some greenery down at the bottom, in this bottom section right here, if you can see, and then a really cute, probably a solar or a battery operated candle. So that was $64.99 and I paid $16. I thought that was a really good deal. This is a massive piece. They actually had a larger size that was, let me see how tall this is, because, so this is approximately 18 inches tall and about 10.5 inches wide. And I bet the other one, I'm gonna leave this out just in case. I bet the other one was probably 4 inches taller, but designed the exact same way. I should have looked at the price on it, but I didn't. But $16.24, that's a good bargain. I think that could be jazzed up for fall with some fall greenery or even fall floral, or spring. I mean, you could make it beachy. It could be used year round. So one of the other large items I bought this for the surface, not for the you know, Hulk and action heroes, I guess is what they are. My grandson, my almost 8-year-old grandson, Branson, he would probably love this, but I bought this for the surface because it was on the 75% clearance, and I paid $4.24 for this. And I have a fabulous idea. I have 2 ideas, and I don't know which one I'm going to go with yet. It's either going to be fall or Christmas. And if you're in the VIP page, my free VIP group, yesterday I went live and showed all of the upcoming autumn release, and it has seasonal and holiday stuff in it as well. And the 2 transfers that I'm gonna choose from are in that video. So this thing is massive too. I mean, it's pretty large. Let me measure it just in case anyone is watching on replay. If you watch on replay, don't forget to hit #replay for me. I always like to say hi. This is 36, so it's 3 feet tall by 10 inches wide. Okay. This has the greenery in it, Bonnie. You're still watching the this is not the greenery, but isn't this beautiful? This is obviously fall foliage, greenery, floral. Oh my gosh, hello Hobby Lobby, don't put an orange tag in with orange flowers. This floral bush, probably a little pricier than what I would normally like to spend, but sometimes you just have to splurge on the finer things, right? And this was originally $16.99, and it's 40% off. All fall decor, and you can Google the ad, but yeah, all fall stuff is 40% off right now. But I think this is beautiful. I think it would look beautiful in a tin or an amber base, or you could break it up and cut off the stems and use it in a craft. But I'm thinking that I'm going to enjoy the like off-white and the like a burnt orangey, a golden yellow, and obviously all the hues that are in this floral arrangement right here. I think I'm going to enjoy this fall. And I'll probably have a little hint of a navy as well. Okay, Bonnie, here's the greenery that I got. You guys, these were clearance. This was clearance for $2.99. First off, I always look for a good bargain on greenery, and because I'll buy a garland when they go 50% off at Hobby Lobby or any craft store for that matter, and use it for like door rounds or just bits and pieces for my crafts. But $2.99 for this full, that was it. It was a good bargain. But this is what I was talking about. I can't show you the whole, I can't get far enough back, but lay this out a little bit. I'm not gonna style it completely, but yeah, look how cool this could be as the base. I don't have enough space here. This doesn't look good right now, but lay a little bit of color in there and some pumpkins. Again, like I said, this isn't perfect. I threw this together in what, 20 seconds, but I'd have to play around with it, but it'll look phenomenal. I love it. It's gonna look great. I have a fascination with ribbon, greenery, floral. I bought 3 of these, $2.99, because I like, let me show you this up close, because I like the variation in the color. So it'll look good in some of the fall crafting. Lay that down there. Look at these sunflowers. Aren't they so pretty? I really, really, really like them. Hi, Jackie. Oh, thank you. I appreciate that. I appreciate that very, very much, friend. I got your message also. I haven't responded yet because I was shopping in Hobby Lobby when it came through. These are all my goodies, but I'll respond back in just a little while. But these sunflowers right here, part of the fall, and they're originally $8.99 for this floral bush.